had to come back in because like my hands are like freezing off. Damn, this is not for me. This is not for me. I look kind of crazy though because like my bonnet has stick out. No, my ear get wet because it's freshly done. Okay, so I'm gonna go back outside now. I'm normal though. I'm scared. I'm afraid. But I wanna go. I'm afraid. Okay, let me try and get some footage of me like shoveling up some snow. Let me try. Because it's cold and I don't want to damage the camera. Work's canceled. Who's gonna come out in the snow? Go Joshua, go Joshua, go Joshua, go Joshua. This is what a man do when him fed up.
Yo, bro.
Come give me a piece of that shovel, yeah, and record me. Come. Come. Who got the shovel? Man tired. Man tired. It's recorded?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we're friend?
Oh yeah, you've never seen it this deep before.
No, I've never seen this before.
This is your first time.
It's so heavy. It's so heavy.
Well, Amanda, welcome to Canada.
You know that no one come here. I can't keep you welcome.
Bro, my hands are freezing.
Guys, sorry for the cameraman.
Yo.
I see you get yourself footage.
Can't go to work.
Can't deal with this nasty weather, bro.
Bro, and it's not stopping.
You told me that this is the whole day. When Josh told me your son didn't come back. Listen. Don't come here. Don't come here. Don't come here. Stay on the sun. Stay on the sun.
Yo.
Yo. You're covering the camera.
No, no. Yo, Janelle, go watch ya. Go, Amanda. Go, Amanda.
Sorry.
Is your dad okay though? Cause he's.
No, I don't know.
He's.
Everybody's for their own growth. One for themselves.
I did. I think I did.
This is my video for Friday. Sorry. Catch that?
Yo, Janelle, just stop that. That's enough. How why are you turning it that way for? Yo, don't bring it over here. Come on.
Girl, are you getting a flash?
Of course I am.
Why?
But my hands are frozen. No.
Shows up to the frozen camera, man.
Yo.
Find yourself in the yard. Look at Pikachu. Watch out. She brave, but then I'm looking at this. You're mad. I retire now. I'm done. Look how my boat. And look what the idiot I got there now. Sneakers. They're brave. On today's episode of Shovel Up Snow, we had to go inside. That my fingertips are red.
Oh.
Everything cancelled. People stuck. Well, them say Canada not have hurricane or storm. Just feel like hurricane or storm, cause everything cancelled. You're stuck. You're cool. So I'll check back in with you guys when whatever it is I do today. Y'all coming along with me with everything I do today while I'm stuck in the house and literally can't go outside because the snowstorm. Yay, Canada! He's never seen a black girl so determined to go to work.
Janelle, put it away and come in. Stop. Put it away, come in, please, Janelle.
It's cold.
You're gonna get sick. It's cold. The snow's not gonna stop.
Look like my man did.
No, it's gonna fill up in an hour. You're not going anywhere. Just
Look like my man. Look like my man.
Why are you still shoveling? I'm gone. Bye.
I don't know what's wrong.
Janelle, I'll see you in our quarters. I'm going inside. Watch out.
Janelle, just come in, Janelle. Oh my gosh, she has such a hard head.
Janelle, work's canceled. Look what you did to his car. Look what you did. Bro, work's canceled. Get inside the house.
Well, you guys just want to be entertained. Y'all could be shoveling.
Forgot what?
No, Janelle, come
Janelle,
in.
the snow is not
It's not
stopping,
making
so we're
sense.
wasting
Come
our
in.
time shoveling. You
Come
see
in.
nobody else outside the rush shovel snow? Look, I don't want black people out there shovel snow.
It's not, yo, Janelle, just stop. It's embarrassing now for all of us.
Okay, one more.
It's
No,
embarrassing.
one more. Just come in.
One more? You know what? Mind that drop. Watch out. Janelle, you're shoving up here.
What are you doing?
Bro.
Like, you're actually stupid. Yeah. Like, this is not funny.
Are you supposed to do over here?
With
him sick self overnight locked in?
I'm not doing none of this foolishness. Like, what?
Yeah, got my bed. Yes, it is. Watch out.
Determined to
Janelle,
go to
you're
work.
shoving it up
You're
here.
determined to go to work for that. Just know that the whole road is done.
He's not even leaving the driveway. They're not.
The
leaving
road
the
is
driveway.
blocked.
Exactly.
The road is blocked.
But me when I go to work,
So,
huh?
walk. Wherever you walk out work, walk. It's still snowing, guys. It's still
It's not
snowing.
stopping. It's going
Like,
all day.
all the shoveling that we did was for
It's gonna be
nothing.
gone. You know,
Like,
you know-
I did here.
Shovel, and there's not as much that we have
Like,
to shovel out.
I did
Now,
here,
about an hour,
and it's
about an hour
not
to
full
the
of snow
back
already.
up to the same-
Eh.
It's less.
It won't be less
Okay,
than
I wouldn't do that.
It's snowing. When it's
I wouldn't do that.
we
You know, I'm not helping you. I'm going inside the house. I'm not staying out here anymore with Janelle. Like, we're the only black people. We're the only people outside. Find the block. I shovel up snow. Everybody else in them yard. Me outside?
No. Come outside.
I'm not staying outside. Everybody else is inside.
Everyone's inside and she's outside acting like she's going to.
Everybody else is inside. Nobody else is shoveling up snow. And we outside shoveling up. Nope. We're tired. We're done. Is it on?
Yeah.
So guys, update. We're inside. I'm doing.
He said update.
This one's hair. You know, hair looks flawless. And we watching TV. So this is what you do on a snow day, you know? This is what you do on a snow day. Stay your ass at home. The roads are rough. Everybody's stranded. There's no flowing on the road for now, so make the best of it. I'll check back in with you guys on and off because I'm about to try and finish her hair. Okay guys, so it's another day of snow. I literally just came inside from shoveling up snow. I want to say that, listen, when we Caribbean people are just people from countries that like we don't experience snow. When we see it on TV, we're like, yeah, snow look nice, see, yeah, more experience that. But when you actually experience it, you're like, yeah, no, take me home. Like, I want to go back where the sun always shines. My fingers are burning, like they're literally red. I had snow boots on, I had a winter jacket on with, like, you know, the thing that comes over your head because the snow is still falling, but you know, you still gotta shovel up. Like, if you wait until the snow is done before you shovel up, like, it's gonna make your work more harder, and like, you have to shovel up the snow because if somebody slips on your driveway, if somebody slips on the sidewalk outside of your house, them are gonna sue you and who want court case can somebody decide to slip and ask if you can't slip. But snow is no joke. Like, it look pretty, it look nice. Like, one time when I see it, it's just like, oh my god. The other day, I was driving, it was snowing. There was literally like ice on the rocks and stuff. It looked so cute, so gorgeous. But I'm like, yeah, but no, it's outside. Cool. But I want to say thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting my channel. This is my little take. This is what I did, you know, when it was snowing, you know, snowstorm. And today is what, day 3? At this point, it's day 3, and I'm about to go outside again because even though it's snowing, like, that don't stop you from like going about your business and going about your day. Like, you still want to go out, you still want to go stores, you still want to go shopping. Like, snow don't stop nobody here. So as an international, like, you just have to get used to it, but I don't think I will anytime soon. But thank you guys for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.